I don't know Java, so don't bother asking me Java questions. Anyways, you right click on the folder and open with IntelliJ. It might take like a few minutes to load. After that, you can see all the files and you can edit your pom.xml and your YML for like settings. If you don't know what to change, just keep it as is because it will still work. Anyways, click on the add configuration and just like create a new Maven configuration. Just do what I'm doing on the screen. Anyway, just enter clean package and save it. Apply and save. Anyways, let me just delete everything not needed and we'll just be writing a very simple hello world. If you want, you can delete the unused inputs, but like, yeah, who cares? Clicking on build project doesn't appear to work, so just click on the like run arrow and then like wait a minute or two. The files are in the target directory. You can see the jar file. Just go to it, copy the file, put the file on your server and start the server. You can see the plugin is loaded and well works because that's what we typed in the system out print line. Anyways, if you dig in the project, you can see all the events and all the functions. They are right here. For example, the player event, it will only trigger once a player joins the server. Anyways, I will just really quickly write the event. So when a player joins the server, it will print out to the console. Do you see the mistake? Anyways, compile it like the last time. Just click on the arrow and wait a minute or two. Like last time, just copy the file and start the server. Anyways, when I will connect to the server, it should print out to the console, not to the chat. We will do that later. And as you can see, it works. It prints out hello and welcome, Deadly Chemist. Now I'm doing the same thing, but instead of printing it to the console, I'm printing it as a DM and it should come up in green. Anyways, as you can see, it works. Like, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, dislikes don't work, so don't even bother.